Good evening, ma'am. I am Allegra Presel Joy, and as a third year public administration student, and based on my personal experiences and observations, I believe the most effective criterion for managing and evaluating the performance of public agencies is service delivery outcomes, especially measured through citizen satisfaction and responsiveness. Public agencies exist primarily to serve the people. Therefore, their performance should not only be judged by internal processes or the number of activities completed but by how will they actually meet the needs of the community. For example, an agency may have many programs, but if service are slow, inaccessible, or unfair, then the public will still feel underserved. In my experiences, the most effective agencies are those that respond quickly, provide their information, and treat citizens equally. This builds trust and shows accountability. Citizen feedback, compliant systems, and service efficiency indicators help ensure that agencies remain focused on their real purpose. Service delivery outcomes also encourage transparency because agencies must show results, not just reports. It pushes public employees to improve equally, reduce delays, and prioritize welfare of the people. Thank you and God bless.